Alright, go on, start it up. Right guys, something a little bit different today. We are installing the Kandn induction kit on my missus's car. We went to Demon Tweaks today and they were there, so I spoke to him, got a t-shirt, and I bought the induction kit for the Scirocco, so I'll show you that now. So this is in the box, so what we'll do, get it all open, have a little look at what's in the box. So there's the new air box that the air filter fits in. Some G-clamps. I'm guessing that's like a breather pipe of some sort. Slight elbow where the breather pipe attaches to. And then what, I think these are like couplers, rubber couplers, or rubber like where the air filter is going to sit. And then that's like a connecting piece, concertina sort of hose. And then the filter itself, as we all know what Kandn air filter looks like. Massive. Alright, we'll come back to that later. Okay, so what we'll do, we'll start the car, get some noises, we'll get some like induction kind of noises before, and then we'll get some afterwards, and then we'll get the missus's reaction to it. As you can tell, there's not much noises coming from under the bonnet of the Scirocco. It is a 2 litre TDI R line. Let's hopefully get some more of that engine noise and make it breathe a lot better. And as you can see, this is the standard one, which we're going to be replacing, and there's a mess in here, so we'll give this a clean as well at some point because it needs it. So air filter will go here in the new box, and then the piping will come behind here. Right, first of all, we'll take out the plug for the, I think it's the MAF sensor, is it? Don't quote me to that because I don't actually know what I'm doing. Take this breather off. Oh, jeez. Take that breather off, and then we will look at getting all this unbolted and out of the way. So to get this one off, torque bit there, Allen key just down there, and then unclip this and it should just come out. So we'll undo all them bolts now. Okay, so that's the old air filter box out, but for some reason it didn't record as I was getting out, so I'll show you what it looks like now. So, I took the air filter off, took the top of the box off. There was 2 little T20s in there that were onto the MAF sensor, and then that just comes off. Okay, looking at this, we're going to take this off, enable me to get this out, and then we should be able to put the new one in, and then put this back on so it holds this in place. Okay, so in the kit comes this breather extension, which will be going on to this with this little adapter here. So I don't think we needed to unplug this, but we'll leave it unplugged for a minute. And there is what looks like a little block off. So well, I'm not 100% sure about that, so we'll leave that for a minute. Okay, so I think what happened here, this goes onto the mass sensor with a G-clamp, and then onto the end of there, goes onto there, and then like that. Clamp them up with G-clamps as well. or probably just that one, to be honest, maybe. And then that'll come round at the 90 degree, and then the airbox will go on there. Final part of the puzzle, get the actual air filter on, bolt it up, put the cover on, and then we'll get some noises, see how it sounds. I don't know why I just smelt that, but okay, so it's all installed now. As you can see, it's all there, and I'm just going to get the missus now, and I'll get her reaction to what she thinks. Go and start it up. I think it definitely sounds a bit different. You can definitely hear it sucking the air in a lot more, but what we'll have to do, we'll have to drive it down the road, see if it sounds any different, and then I'll get some more clips of it. But yeah, I think she's happy. We'll find out now. Happy? She wants to take it for a drive, so I'll just shut the bonnet and let her go down the road. Alright, I'm going to call that job done. The missus is happy with it, I'm happy with it. It sounds better, it looks better, and hopefully it performs a bit better as well. And up as well, I've been to Demon Tweaks Coffee Morning today, and I've ordered 2 new things for the 370Z that are coming in soon in the next couple of weeks. So make sure you subscribe to see what they are. One of them is in the form of wheels, and the other one I'll surprise you with that. Overall, I'm dead happy with it. The price point of it isn't too bad either, and with the Kandn filter itself, all you do, give it a wash out and oil it up. They do sell a like a refresh kit, like a service kit for your filters and stuff like that. I currently run the Kandn panel filters in the 370Z, but Kandn, if you're watching this, I could do with one of these full kit for the 370Z, you know. But yeah, that's going to be it for today's video, guys, and I'll see you in the next one.